Hey guys, it's Tarek with Cyclone FPV, and right now I'm getting ready to do a quick video. I'm sending it to Hobby King because I have a problem with some of the product that we ordered. That product being the Turnigy Evolution. Of the 40 or 60 that I have, so far I have 5 that have dead lipos, or basically they won't turn on at all. And when I say they won't turn on, they have been charged or they've been plugged in. In one case here, which I'm going to show you, sorry, I'm stripping a wire while I'm talking. So they have been plugged in, and I'm going to change the view of this so that you can see what I'm working on here. Okay, so what I've got basically right here on the table is one of the batteries from one of the Evolutions. Decided to open one, but I'm also going to go ahead and just grab a new box here, and this would be one of the ones that we received. And Hobby King requires a video on this, so I'm going to actually submit this to them, but you can at least see what we're working on. So here is the and the pink tag is from us. Here is the controller right here, right? And let me zoom out just a little bit. So what we've got is we hold the power button down and we get no activity at all from it. I mean, at all, right? And so I can take the USB cable, which I have right here, and I can plug it in, which I will do for you right now. And we will see that we get nothing. There is no reaction at all. Sorry, let me get this in the screen here. And you will notice that there's absolutely no reaction at all from, well, if I could just get this plugged in. There you go. So we've got nothing. We've got nothing charging, nothing lighting up. It's pretty much a dead controller, just from shipping, like brand new. We have not done anything to it, but I did open this one. I did open one because it was, 5 out of 40 or so is not a very good percentage for me on fault tolerance here. So anyways, I decided to test the voltage on it and see if I got any reading at all from the batteries, right? And what I get is exactly what I expected, which is going to be pretty much nothing. We have nothing. I mean, the batteries are drained, and I'm sorry, I'm just trying to get, I've already done this, but I'm just doing it for them so they can see it, but we have no life out of these batteries at all. Okay, nothing. 0 voltage, 0 anything, and so obviously nothing's going to happen on it. So anyways, batteries are dead, controllers are dead. So far 5 of them, we've got nothing. We can't charge it. We left it charging overnight, nothing happened. Put it back in the box. Hobby King, you've been real good with us about handling our stuff as a wholesale buyer, and I hope that you will handle this one as well. I would prefer to just have you send the batteries to me because I'd like to put a video together on how to change the batteries so that customers who do end up with something like this down the road, whether it's from us or somewhere else, I mean, obviously we would trade it out, but it would make for a good video on how to replace the batteries. I'm not going to do a video on how I opened it because I'm not really sure anybody should be doing that right now. But if they send me the batteries to repair them, I will put a video on how to repair them. For Hobby King, I appreciate you guys. You guys have always worked good with me. I hope you handle this one too. And we will see you soon. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.